Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day of our class. This is Mr. Faisal, and today's lesson we're going to discuss all about formatting date and time in Visual Basic. Well, the date and time functions help the developers to convert time and date from one format to another, or sometimes it is used to express the date or time value in the format that suits a specific condition. Here is an example wherein if you want to have a format wherein it will state the date and the time, you will use format now, comma, and general date. So why we use now? Because it will take the setup in your computer. So make sure the time and date is always updated. So if you want the long date, so you can use format now long date in the short format, short date, as well with the long format and short format of your time, long time and short time. Date and time can be formatted using predefined formats and also user-defined formats. Instead of general date, you can also use abbreviated format, like for example G instead of general date. Or for a long time, you can use the abbreviated format T. As well as for short time, you will use the abbreviated format, the small e. Now, let's have an example number one. Create a program for this kind of output. So I want you to observe. Here, we don't use text box. We will use labels. Why labels? So that they cannot, or the user cannot, change or modify the given output. So I have here the general date that contains the date and time, the long date with the day and the date itself, short date, the long time, and short time. Let's have the program. First, of course, we have our first label, and the format of our first label is general date. So format now general date. The second format is a long date, third, fourth, and fifth. Now, what I did is I used all those predefined format to see how it looks like in our program. So you can pause this video and try it on your computer. Formatting date and time using user predefined or user defined formats. Besides using the predefined formats, you can also use the user defined formatting functions, wherein the general format of the user defined for date and time is format, expression, and then the style. So here's an example. This is a user defined format. For the current month and date, all you have to do is now and then the M. For the double digits, just have double M. For you to be able to display abbreviated name of the current month, double M. But if you want to display full name of the current month, have 4 M's. And the current date for day, month, and year, small d. and then capital M and M, and for Y for the year, as well with the other formats. Let's have an example. For this example, you are asked to create a program for this kind of output. You can pause this video and design your GUI or your form and proceed in doing the program. You can revise having your book or on this video. For your activity, what I want you to do is that from your previous activities that you have made, I want you to add date and time to each program that you have made. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop your queries on our Schoology discussion board. And don't forget to join us in our Zoom video conferencing. Thanks for watching.